G'day, how are you today? I hope you're well. My name's Melissa and thank you for stopping by my channel today. I just wanted to have a quick video showing the new Uniquely Creative kit that I'm going to start work on. So this kit is from December 2019 and it's using the Kaisercraft Grand Bazaar collection. So this one is full of beautiful, intense, bright colours. It's really nice, really lovely and very suited for masculine photos. Really good, but I'm going to do a bit of both. So I wanted to show you the kit that and the stuff that I start with. In this kit, I also got an extra embellishment pack, which I'll show you in a moment, but I thought I'd start with what comes with the kit. With the embellishments, there was a Glitz and Glamour in gold and a blue ink pad, which matches really lovely with all the pretty blues in here. So it came with that. It also came with some wooden tiles, I think I'm going to call them. I think there's 10 tiles in here and there's a couple of different designs, 2 or 3 different designs in here, and they're little wooden embellishments, really lovely, they're really cute. So in the booklet they have coloured these. You could do anything you want with these. You can ink them, paint them, glitter them, have fun with them, emboss them. So you could come up with some really pretty designs with these. There's a couple of other designs in there as well, and there's 10 of those. So it came with those, 2 different colours of little tiny weenie flowers, which are really cute, and they've got little pink stamens and yellow stamens in there. So those. There's a packet of Grand Bazaar collectibles from Kaisercraft, feathers, doors, flowers, looks like a little ruler, lots of different little pieces in there. So that one. Also came with these super cute metal embellishments, and it's sort of like the Moroccan style, and they're quite thin, but they're antique-y looking. They're really lovely, they're really cute. I wonder if you could cut them maybe. They are quite thin and you could bend them, definitely. So it came with those, maybe half a dozen to 8 of those or something. And then also in the embellishment pack came a stencil for using, I'm guessing, the ink and the gold glitter. So that one. And then a laser cut with hexagons. So that's really cute. I think you could use both the inside and the outside, so that's really cool. It came with a piece of denim fabric, nice and thick. A piece of cork, almost 6 by 8 size, I think. And then the add-ons, which I was getting at the time, was the 2 dies. You could get 1 or 2 dies, and this is I forget the name of it. I don't have it with me. Or it might be on the inside of the magazine. Oh yes, here we are. So this big one here is called Ornate Doors Die, and this one actually does cut the doors, and you can open them up. It embosses along the edge here, and you can open that up. It is super cute. It's really lovely. I've used that one before, but I haven't used it with the pack yet. And then the other one is called the Persian Lattice Die, and this one cuts a little single rectangular piece around the outside and the inside separate. I'll show you that later. And then it comes with the magazine as well in the kit, and a cut apart sheet. I have all the dies that come with this as well, that Uniquely Creative released to come with this, and cut them all out. So I will be using those to cut out all the circles and everything because I'm hopeless at cutting out something, especially circles. Absolutely useless. So I'm going to use all the tags and that to cut those out. I'll zip them all through my die cut machine. It makes short work of that. It's really good. And then you have the Grand Bazaar paper pack, which comes with 6 12 by 12.
Ice block.
Sorry, this is my son Saxon busting in. Yes. And close the door, please, Saxon. Bang. Sorry about that. So, so yeah, this one is the 12 by 12 paper pack and has 6 double-sided papers. Sorry, 6 patterns, so 12 double-sided papers and the sticker sheet. So these are the papers that comes with it. They also give you extra. This was one of the extras. We got 2 sheets of extra paper. So I will dig and find that one down the bottom here because I know I was looking at that before. Oh, where is it? Down here. So 2 of this one we got extra. The blue one, and has the brown on the back. Like a old leather look. Really nice. And then we have the doors page, which has lots of doors and carpets on there. So there's 2 of those with a green on the back. Has 2 wood grain with the blue, I'm going to say floral, not really floral, but floral pattern. Kind of looks like one of their carpets. Then there's this one, which has like a doily and some tickets and that along the side and some text. A vintage look there. So it's really nice. And then this one is leaves and, yeah, foliage and flowers. But it's, is it black? It almost looks black, this one. Or a very, very dark blue, because this is like navy blue. So this one's super dark. But really cool. You could fussy cut these. They look really lovely. Really nice. And then there's this mustard yellow. Really cool. And it has a little tiny diamond and dot pattern on there. And then we have the tiles on the back. Really lovely. And this is dark blue. This one's, and it has a floral pattern in there. Tone on tone. It's really nice. And there's deep red. Really like that. You don't get red a lot in collections, and it's nice not to see like a Christmas red. I really like burgundies and reds. It's really nice, especially for boy layouts. And then this one looks like a Moroccan door. It's really lovely. Almost, it's wood, but then has that embossing on it really. It's really cool. And then this one is called Collective, and it's just a collection of all different cards and some rope, a carpet, feathers, looks like a tile, another tile, more rope, a doily, string, you name it, it's on here. And then this is the sticker sheet, which has an alpha on it, and then these are border stickers. So they're really nice. Do all things with love, life is beautiful, friends are the greatest of blessings, brave at heart, find joy in every day and do it with all of your heart. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 border stickers and a lovely size navy alphabet, which is also capitals and lowercase. So that's cool. Then the kit also came with a couple of sheets of Kaisercraft cardstock, the craft cardstock, and then also a blue, which is called Shadow, which is really dark. It's really nice. And then also some corrugated cardboard. So that's what I'm starting with for this kit. I also have another die which I am going to bring in. I don't know that I use it, but I have it from Kaisercraft, which is like a mandala die. So I'm going to bring that in as well. Don't know if I use it, but why not? It should go really nicely. Just maybe instead of doilies or that, maybe I might use this. Especially as I get down to the last and I might be looking for something extra. extra paper or just an extra embellishment, I might use that and help stretch it a little bit more. So then I will go through all of my pictures and pick out some pictures, which I did pick out a few pictures, which hopefully will go with this. And then I will pop them in with the layouts that I think it might go with. I think I might have another look at it and change it around a little bit more. But I go through and I write down some ideas of photos that go down, but I didn't actually pull the ones I thought I was going to. I'll go through and I'll just slip the photo in with the layout of what I think. Pick all my favourite layouts, which is nearly every single one because they're so lovely. This one here I really love, but I think I'm going to do it straight. I can't handle it being crooked, but I do love it. I think it's lovely, but I'm just going to make it straight. Yeah, I can't do the side on. Don't know why, just can't handle it. This one's lovely, and I probably might try and do that if I have enough embellishments, which I probably should because I have an extra embellishment pack, which gives me another set of flowers. Gives me another 2 sets of flowers, another set of tiles, 10 tiles, and also another pack of collectibles and a laser cut. So there I've got heaps, so hopefully I will do this, and I'll probably do it with some strips and leftover papers. So that's one I would obviously do towards the end so that you can use up all the little pieces that you have left after you've done all your cutting out. This one here, I love that one by Alicia, it's gorgeous. I'm hoping to do one of my mum, my son and my grandma on there, but we'll see how it works out. I might change them around a little bit. And then this one by Rachel, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to try and do this one as well, but maybe depending on what paper I have left, I don't know that I'll do this, but I'm going to try and do some inking on some tiles because I really like that, but I'm not so fussed on this part out here. So I'm not sure yet. Maybe a different background, maybe? I'm not sure. I'll have a look at that one yet, so I haven't pulled a photo for that one yet. This one here is really lovely, and I'll probably do this again towards the end with all little pieces. If I can get it together with all the paper, I will try, but I'm not sure. And I love both of these as well. They're gorgeous. I haven't got any photos for those at the moment. I've got some extras on the side, so I might just sit down and go through. I only have one paper pack, so I don't know how many I will get because I love a lot of the cards as well. Love this one too, it's really cute. Because I was thinking maybe I might do this one of myself when I was younger, before I had children. And I might pop that on that one because I do like just the strip of red, the burgundy, which will just go down underneath that. So maybe on that one, not sure yet. Love this card as well. Love the card. Still not fussed on this blue one that much. I don't know. Doesn't do it for me, that one. Love this one of Maria's. Absolutely gorgeous. This is super cute, and that'll be really interesting to do. I don't know whether I'll be able to sit and manage doing that because it looks like a lot of work. I don't know whether I'll be into it that much at the end. But I'm wondering how she used... I think maybe she's... what did Julia do? Oh, there's instructions there, so I'll be able to read it. But I think she's backed the hexagons. And like a little cut file. So maybe it won't be that bad, actually. It's really cute, that one. The flowers on this, I really love that. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. And these... Oh, here's a picture of the die. Of the doors, ornate doors die when it opens. It's really cool. Really like that. So yeah, I'll go through and pick everything that I really love, the most favourite ones, and I will separate all of my papers and that to try and get as many as I can. And and that will be the next bit that I do before I start doing my layouts. So I just want to show you what I started with. I'll end these bits as well. So then at the end, I can show you what's left. Okay, well, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're getting some crafty time in. It's actually Mother's Day today, so I'm going to bog into this. And then I'll keep showing you as I go along. Once I get all my pages separated and sorted, I'll video again and show you what I do next. But thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a lovely Mother's Day for all those mothers out there. And if you like my videos, if you would subscribe and just hit that like button, that'll be really lovely, and I appreciate you stopping by today. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you. Bye.